I sometimes try to put myself in the position of one of the delegates of our shows. So in this case, it would be a biopharmaceutical manufacturing executive, maybe in the tech ops space. I can only come up with so many good ideas in the four walls of my office. And I think your organization is such a good partner to bounce ideas off of, generate that piece of innovation that doesn't necessarily involve me reinventing the wheel. You guys have a wealth of experience to draw upon. How do you get started? What does the working relationship look like? How can companies leverage what you guys have to offer in an effective way?
Great question. So yes, I mean, one of the key things with our organization is that we have worked in many different modalities throughout the existence of our company. And at the same time, we have experts that have significant industry expertise that have joined compliance architects to be able, that's what from a consulting point of view. So we consider with any project that we work on, first of all, is it a good fit? Is it a fit, and are we able to deliver what the client is asking for? That is absolutely important for us, right? Second thing is, when we are in engagement with you, we are not engaging in a short-term venture. We want to ensure that whatever solutions that we provide, that it is scalable. It is scalable and it is future-proof, right? One of the main reasons why, when I left industry and joined Compliance Architects, one of the main reasons why I wanted to join them is that fact, is the engagements that I've had with them was the fact that it was solution-oriented help support. And that's different. That's different from everybody else. So our engagement model and how Jack and the team has put this together is that we are solution-oriented individuals. You ask us to come and engage with you, we are going to go ahead and stand by you and help the organization to come with unique solutions to be able to address any issues that we have.